Welcome to the DigiRegs and TrafficHaus presentation. In the first part of the demo, we begin with the producer integration. Before we begin, let me give you an overview on what DigiRegs is and what partner.traffichaus is. DigiRegs is a digital copyright protection system. We develop what we call templates. We take your content, whether it be video, image, or sound, and we scan that file fully, 100%. And create our own locally stored version of the content, or what we call a template. It does not allow us to recreate that content. It only allows us to recognize characteristics of that content and compare it to others. The process is the same for whether you produce the content and you have the content stored on your servers, or if you say a video sharing site. Let's redo that part. The process is the same for whether you produce the content and you have the content stored on your servers, or if you are, say, a video sharing site and hosting content that is not yours, but was maybe licensed to you when it was placed on your site. They are simply two different categorizations for the content. We integrate with you by giving you what we call an AV tracker file. We have you download the file, then upload it to your server where the content is stored. For example, if your site is CNN.com, CNN has their videos hosted on their server in cnn.com/content/videos. We would have CNN place our AV tracker file in that directory. All the subdirectories, like news, sports, etc., would be captured by our AV tracker. So once the tracker file is placed in the top level of your content directories, you select to run it from the command line. Let's redo that one. For example, if your site is CNN.com, CNN has their videos hosted on their server in cnn.com/content/videos. We would have CNN place our AV tracker file in that directory. Let's restart. For example, if your site is CNN.com, CNN has their videos hosted on their server in cnn.com/content/videos. We would have CNN place our AV tracker file in that directory. All the subdirectories like news and sports, etc., would be captured by our tracker, so cnn.com/content/videos/news or /sports. So once the tracker file is placed in the top level of your content directories, you select to run it from the command line interface on your computer, entering in the location of the file on your servers. Ooh, let's redo that. Back out. And pause. For example, if your site is CNN.com, CNN has their videos hosted on their server in cnn.com/content/videos. We would have CNN place our AV tracker file in that directory. All the subdirectories like news and sports, etc., would be captured by our tracker. So you would put in cnn.com/content/videos, and we would capture /content/videos/news or /content/videos/sports. So once the tracker file is placed in the top level of your content directories, you select to run it from the command line interface on your computer, entering in the location of the file on your servers. In this case, it would be run cnn.com/content/videos/AV tracker, and it would capture all the other subfolders like news, sports, etc. After it's running, you are done. Let's redo that. After it's running, you are done. There's nothing more to do than to wait until the process is completed. The process could take a few minutes per video depending on the length of the video, and about 1 megabyte to 10 megabytes of usage. It's a very small process, and each file comes out to about 300 kilobytes depending on the size of the video. So as you can see, it's similar to encoding, except we are just taking bits and pieces of the content's DNA and storing it on our servers. We then have the publishers and video sharing sites do the same process. When they are done, we compare the two sets of categorized data in our databases. In this case, the top-level categorization and comparison of the data is producer versus publisher. In a later video, look for business possibilities with DigiRegs and TrafficHaus. whether we can give you alternative ways of how you can work with us and apply our two technologies. Let's do that again. In a later video, look for business possibilities. Let's do that again. In a later video, let's look for business possibilities with DigiRegs and TrafficHaus, where we can give you alternative ways of how you can work with us and apply our two technologies. In this case, we help the producer and the publisher work together. When we find a match, we supply the publisher with an iframe from TrafficHaus for them to put on their site next to the uploaded matched content. The producer then gains exposure they may not have had before and the ability to gain very important data as well as users clicking to their products. So let's begin with producers. Please follow along. Let's start again. Okay, cut. So let's begin with producers. Please follow along. The DigiRegs AV Tracker system is a fast and easy to use content protection and rights management system. The DigiRegs AV Tracker system allows for accurate, real-time identification of protected audio and video content on publishers across the internet. You can customize your content protection settings to ensure the system is set up precisely to your liking and business rules. The system is autonomous, automatically finding and protecting your content without the need for DMCAs. Expand your advertising capabilities by monetizing your content on publisher sites to grow your brand through TrafficHaus. We begin with signing you up to to DigiRegs. Let's start over. We begin with signing you up to Let's start over again. We begin with signing you up to DigiRegs.com, where you have an option to pass that sign-up integration on to partner.traffichaus.com, or you can go straight to partner.traffichaus.com if you're only interested in submitting videos. After sign-up, you will hit our dashboard, which gives you three options. First option is Download AV Tracker, where we give you three options depending on your system: Windows, Linux, or Mac. Most systems are Linux, so we use Linux for our example. Second, download our user manual, or simply upload the AV Tracker file for your Linux to your Linux machine into the folder where your videos are stored. In this case, we use the example earlier of cnn.com/content/videos. Third, verify it's uploaded. Then get your command line and select Run, say for this example, cnn.com/content/videos/AV Tracker. Let's start over. Once signed up, you will hit our dashboard, which gives you three options. First option is Download AV Tracker, where we give you three options depending on your system: Windows, Linux, or Mac. Second, download our user manual, or simply upload the AV Tracker file for Linux to your Linux machine into the folder where your videos are stored. Third, verify it's uploaded. Get on your command line and select Run. Select the folder that was dropped into, so in our example, cnn.com/content/videos/AV Tracker. Last step is to check your results, which I'm going to show you below. In checking your results, you'll be able to see the first level of information is how many videos were uploaded, the time created, the content owner, the file name, and the file length. In this case, 4,929 videos were uploaded. We then give you content rules options. To update those content rules, you would click on Update Rules. These options are Advertise, Delete, or Truncate. You can set second base rules for these options. For example, if you set 1800 seconds, that's equivalent to a 30-minute video. So if you set 1800 for delete, anything over 1800 seconds would be deleted. If you say set 10 for advertise, anything over 100 seconds will be advertised. And advertisements would populate around it thanks to the TrafficHaus ad system. If you select 600 truncate, then any video over 10 minutes or 600 seconds will be truncated down to 600 seconds. Next, we take you to our next page or source of data, which is the number of matched videos. In this case, 1,629 have been matched. You'll see the corresponding action has been taken: delete, advertise, or truncate, and which videos that action was taken on from our production. In this case, you can see the action was delete. Next, we take you to your monthly summary. This summary allows you to get an overview and see trends. In this example, in September, 4,929 videos were uploaded, 138 videos matched, 130 videos removed. In October, no more videos were uploaded, 133 were matched, and 113 removed. In November, more publishers were added, so 656 matched, 617 were removed. And in December, a very large publisher was added, so 3,340 were matched and 3,327 removed. Here's where we transition to partner.traffichaus. Partner.traffichaus is tied into this process for several reasons. The first reason is to make sure all videos on the tube sites or publications are ad supported. Second, in order to provide let's start over. Here is where we transition to partner.traffichaus.com. Partner.traffichaus is tied into the process for several reasons. The first reason is to make sure all videos on the tube sites or publications are ad supported. Second, in order to provide ad integration to all publications autonomously. In order to do that, we must tie into your existing partner program to utilize the already existing ad space and automate the process. This allows seamless integration without having to worry about any special add-ons and gives our producers the ability to control the ad units they're given in the advertised process from one central location across multiple sites. The third is being on the publisher's video page allows us to pull in data for the video, like niche, geo, length, impressions, device, operating system, and other data useful to understand that market and provide valuable data. In the partner section, we'll be covering sign-up, AV tracker integration, partner program integration, site profile setup, and video analytics and metrics. So let's start with sign-up. It's a simple sign-up process. Once signed up, you'll be taken to our simple dashboard. You'll notice we have segmented reporting between videos and DigiRegs videos. We do this because DigiRegs videos do not have to link back to the publication owners as if they are an affiliate. When you submit videos, however, you are required to set up an affiliate program account for that particular publication owner so that you may pay them out for allowing you on their ad space. If it's DigiRegs rated content, you do not have to provide a link back. You can link to your sites freely. So first step is to create the account profiles for each publication so you can begin flagging content as well as submitting. To create a site, click on the View Profile in the top right. That should take you to a page where you enter the name of your site, the click URL, and then set up the necessary banner sizes. A list of banner sizes needed to be set up is provided. As I said earlier, set up 2 profiles per product site, as you will need a different click URL for DigiRegs versus the click URL for submitted videos. Once done setting up profile, select Save. After setting up a profile, you'll be able to view profile now and see an overview. In the example, we set up 2 profiles. One is for DigiRegs and one is for submitted videos. For DigiRegs profile, we set up multiple banners because each banner is associated with a different content production and a different publication. So if my content is being flagged, I want to make sure that no matter what, my content has advertisements around it on every single possible site and ad size so I reach my potential market. So each of those banner sizes represents one or more publications. Reason I only set up one in the test example for submitted content is because I want to submit unique content to that publication. So I may set up a special site in relation to my site associated with, in this example, badjojo.com, because I just want to submit particular videos to badjojo. Once the banner has been uploaded by the publisher to the video page, you can view the statistical breakdown of the views and the clicks to each video, or on a sum basis. Next, let's take a look at the analytical data. This is where the meat and the heart of the system exist, and where you'll find new insight into your content, traffic, and the industry as a whole. You can see a line graph representing the amount of flagged videos and impressions over time. Then, top keywords and some other cool important metrics. So you can see what keywords were clicked on, or were viewed, or clicked on. Or you can take an association between the keyword and the video length, or the keyword and the geo breakdown. The geo breakdown is associated with the types of users that viewed your videos. There's a number of associations we can make to the data to find correlations between content data, publication data, users, and revenue. In this example, you'll see more United States traffic was received as a result of the submitted videos. So say those were all on ujiz.com, for example. Then if the content owner and all I did was submit, or my videos were flagged on ujiz.com, you may be saying, wait, I want to capture a US market. So I can see if I continue to submit these types of videos, that I will be capturing a large mix of the US market. So say those were all on ujiz.com. Well, the data displayed says if I submit videos over 20 minutes with an ebony and teen mix type of content, then I'll be able to capture 50% of my traffic from the US market, 30% from Russia, and so on. You may still be asking, why is this important, and why would I want to submit only certain types of videos to one publication at a time? Well, optimization, stupid. It's all about the data. By utilizing the data below, as well as new data, as you submit more videos, you can set up profiles and submit videos and be able to pinpoint the user base of the publisher and the user base that's interested in your content. You can see what niche or keyword, what video length, and to which publication you should submit your content to get your target user base. Through this process and our 5 years of selling experience, we've discovered that every site has a different user base. Xhamster versus Ujiz, for example. If I submit this same content to Xhamster, this may be my Ujiz example, but Xhamster may have a totally different geo breakdown. Maybe this same type of content attracts more UK users or more Italian users in the UK. If that's my user base, I'm going to submit more of that content. Or maybe I find that I get the same user mix when I submit Asian and Latina videos. So the value of this is by understanding your user base, the publication's user base, and how to drive more of the traffic that you want to your product. So thank you for listening, and be sure to check out our overview for publishers. Let's start that one over. So thank you for listening, and be sure to check out our overview for publications and its integrations with TrafficHaus and DigiRegs.